The 2015 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, power seat, tilt steering wheel controls, speed control, radio data system, four-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning, front wheel independent suspension. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.